You've got your eye on a special lady, and you're considering asking her out. There's just one problem: she's taller than you. While this might look like a cause for issue, it's not completion of the world. When it concerns making a real connection, your character is far more important than your physical traits. Something went wrong. Wait a moment and attempt again. Attempt once again. Badges, 14. You'll earn badges for being active around the website. Rep gems come when your posts are rated by other community members. Number 3. It's horrible how these are the issues in our lives nowadays. Height shouldn't play an element. Male, if a lady likes you, she likes you for you and not your height. You make it seem like it's the end of the world. I'm sorry, but this isn't even an issue. You are who you are, handle it. To even believe you believed about suicide since of your height saddens me. How much effort have you put into women? I guarantee the factor you haven't got a girlfriend is not due to your height. You just have not satisfied the right individual yet. No one who appreciates height is worth dating. Hang on in there, man. I'm 51 and I would date a 54 man. Badges, 20. Number 16. Do women typically reject you? How do you know it's due to your height? According to a website for high females, a male's height is a huge problem for tall women searching for men. Numerous high ladies aren't interested in fulfilling men shorter. Conversely, lots of tall females prefer only brief guys. Tall women who date only taller guys provide engaging points. And tall ladies who date just short males offer fascinating points. I chose to summarize reasons high ladies choose shorter guys. If a woman is 5 to 10, a shorter male is considered brief by height standards. However, if a tall lady is 6 to 1, much shorter, guy isn't necessarily short. Tall females who like short men offer these factors. High men have less character development than short males, due to the fact that tall guys have managed on their height. Being high creates a presence when you get in the space. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.